Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I just received some happy mail from my dear friend Stefanie, and she's known on YouTube as the Rolling Studio. So let's find out what she sent. Put the box away. Oh, nice pink folder. And we have some stickers. These are nice. I don't have any of these. These are really nice. And what do we have here? Oh! We have some of her drawing. We have this one of the fish, which is a nice one. Look how nice that one is. Huh. Oh, and then we have the one of Jesus. Of the poor man, was it? She drew this on YouTube one day, and she sent me a copy because I love this so much. I love this one. That's a nice one. And these ones, God Abundance and Lord, just because. Look how nice these ones are. Her drawing's just beautiful. I love her drawing. They really, really are beautiful. Oh, she sent me quite a few of them. And we have this one here. I love the way she mixes her colors. They're really beautiful. My Father's Garden. Oh, look at that. Very nice. Oh, I like this one. I told her I like this one too. Look how beautiful they are. I wish I could draw. And then this one here. Now, this is, my husband's been asking her that he wants a drawing of from her. And this is what she came out. This is of my husband baking as the chef. Oh my Lord. That is so cute. And the window. The window's beautiful. I love the window. So gorgeous, the window. Oh, I'm glad I got all these ones. They're beautiful. Thank you, Stefanie. They're beautiful. I know my husband's gonna probably want to frame some of these. Especially the one with him. That's nice. Oh, we got a shaker card. Look how cute that one is. Ooh, paper. Oh, this is nice colors. That's really nice colors in there. I don't know if you can see some of them. Oh. And this is nice. It's really thick paper. Well, I guess she wants me to start working on paper stuff. And this is the Bible King James version that she said that she was going to send me. So I got a purple Bible. Oh, let's put that there. Let's see what else. Oh my gosh. What did she send? Ah! Crocheting thread. That I need. That's a nice purple. Really nice color. And you know what? I love this this brand here. I got it last year for as a gift from someone else, and I love working with this. It's so soft to work with, this type here. There, we popped it all out. There we go. Oh Lord, what did she send here? What is this? Oh, this is, I guess, stainless steel or something like that. This is nice. Let's do my books. I can put that in there on my books too. Yeah, you must have drawn up this. You must have. Oh, I really didn't want to rip this. Oh. Come on, don't rip, don't rip. There. Oh, isn't this pretty? She put some of her dry flowers in here. Oh. So cute. Oh, that's nice. Don't worry about it, Stephanie. I understand. Let's put that there. Oh, we'll put this back in here. She sent me the Dove cream. Apparently, you guys get this in the States. You get it in your Dollar Tree for $1. We don't. Our Dollar Tree doesn't carry this. So if I want this, I have to go to Shoppers Drug Mart, which is our drugstore, and a jar like this will probably cost me anywhere from $7 to $8, if not more. Oh my goodness. Oh my Lord. Look at this. This is beautiful. Oh my goodness. Did you tie it again here somehow? Yeah, you did. Yes, you did. Oh, you did a pretty good job of tying this thing up, because I can't get it apart. Okay, let's see. We'll go through there. Oh, no wonder you stuck it with glue. There. We have some tags. You really want me to get into paper, working on paper, don't you? And one of the small white Bibles. Our Dollar Tree doesn't carry this. They carry the brown ones, but not these little white ones. And I want to alter this one. Oh, she sent me even the pink one. Oh. Great. Oh my goodness. What did you put in here? Look at this. Look at all this bling bling. They're beautiful. Oh my goodness. Look how cute they are. So many. Oh, they're beautiful. They're gonna look good on my crafts. Look how nice they are. They're gorgeous. Thank you, Stefanie. They're really, really beautiful. I love them. Oh my goodness. These would look good on when I do those pin cushions, or hopefully I can do another doily book. I'm going to try my best to do a junk journal. That's what I'm aiming for. Sometimes before the end of this year, I'm definitely doing a junk journal. What else does she have in here? More bling bling. Steph. That would be nice as a pendant, isn't it? Ah, this is gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I've never seen any of these ones before. They're beautiful. And a little dangle. They're beautiful. Look at that. Look at all these. It's just beautiful. Look at them. Wow. I got lots to play with. All these to play with now. I just guess I'm gonna have to start cracking and get my crafts done. There's so many of them that I have half started, none of them finished. Oh, there's something else in here too. Oh. This is so nice. This is really nice. She's got dry flowers, I guess, here. And she knows my color is blue. This smells nice. I don't know if I'm supposed to open this or what. Oh, these are sachets. No wonder it smells so nice. Okay, let's see what else we have in here. Oh, these are Christmas ornaments with batteries, and I guess they light up icicles. Look at that. Never seen those ones before yet. Ah, pink. This is a nice color too. She crushed them so this way they'll fit in the box. Oh, this blue is beautiful. This one. Sorry for the crunching, but or not. And what else do we have here? Oh, green. I love this color. I really love that color. Love, love, love that color. Oh, it's a different pink. And then a darker blue, which is nice too. Beautiful stuff, Stephanie. Thank you so much. I didn't expect all this. I love it. Thanks a lot, Stephanie. And thank you all for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye, guys.